Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Eric from UGREEN. I've got here the tempered glass from UGREEN and another from Ringke. So I'm going to be showing you how to install a tempered glass protector on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get started, guys. So I'll be doing the UGREEN one. I'll get my trusty pocket knife here. Alright guys, so the tempered glass is installed. It's a perfect fit. I've got my Ringke Fusion X case here for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and there's no issues whatsoever with the tempered glass, and feels like I don't have a tempered glass at all installed on it. And things are made much easier with the installation tool. So you've got the frame, you put it on the phone, and just lay the tempered glass on top of the phone, and that's it. It's probably one of the easiest tempered glass install I've done on a phone, so I would highly recommend the UGREEN tempered glass for your tempered glass needs. I've got the link in the description just in case you're here in the Philippines and you want to order the same for your phone. So I'll use the tempered glass on the phone for a couple of days, and then I'm going to be trying out the Ringke 2-in-1. This one though has the black borders around the tempered glass, and it has a camera protector. So I'll see if there's an effect on the photos that you take if you've got that camera protector on. And from what I know, there's also an install guide on this one similar to what you've got on UGREEN. And one good thing about UGREEN though is it's a 2-pack. So in case you mess up the first one or you get cracks on it over time, you've got a spare one right away. So this is just going to be a quick video, guys. Let me know what tempered glass you're using on your Apple device and post them in the comment section down below. But until then, we'll end things here. As usual, a sub would be massively appreciated. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon notification, and see you all in my next one.